Hey everyone, I made it inside of Burlington, so it looks like there's plenty of jewelry to look through. Let's see, hopefully we can find some new items. So $7, like XOXO. They're gonna be chokers. This will look kind of cute, has a little happy face one too, and a little floral. That's cute. And a chains and a pearl. Ooh. You know what? Don't forget to look here because I know it's huge. Like on TikTok, people on Etsy sell something really similar. But since it's handmade, it is going to cost you a little more. But sometimes the stores I notice on like TikTok, they're kind of scammy. I'm just going to let you know in advance because my daughter has bought some stuff before. But you can find very similar in Burlington. $8, a little Betsy Johnson. Oh, look at this one with the pink and the like kind of like polka dot-ish and the bow. I've never seen that. Not even in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so 10. And they have like a black one. Let me pull it out for you. shapewear, you guys. $11. And in Burlington, they go up to, I want to say 3X, and possibly you could find 4X. So there's a lot of chonies, underwear, undergarments for everybody, every size here in Burlington. As you can see, they are completely stocked. Like this Juicy Couture at the bottom, which I'm pretty sure we might have seen before. It's like a thong one, and no panty lines. Daisy Fuentes. Let's see, on bras, those kind of gets tricky. The highest I see is double D here. Here's some 1X. These are 13, soft and comfy, under control, you know, like tummy control. So they do have sizes for everyone in here. This one looks kind of cozy and it's really soft. It definitely reminds me of the Walmart brand, and I believe is that Secret Treasures in Walmart. I'm not too sure, but $23. You get top and bottom, lightweight but soft. And this peppermint one, top and bottom, for only $13. Oh, those are really cute. $17 for Hurley, just top and bottom. More pajamas, and plenty of pajama sets in here. You can find Tahari 2-piece. These are $17. Again with the robe. You know what? I wonder if they're Aeropostale. Let me pull one down for only $13. And it does look like you get socks in here, which is kind of cool. Here's Aeropostale. They also have Aeropostale in like underwear and Joe Boxer. Okay, slippers, hard bottom. They're memory foam. They look kind of cozy for $10. Some might say it looks grandma-ish, but you know what? It's all about feet comfort. So this one is cute, $15.99. It says Juicy right here in the center, a little blinged out. You got black and hot pink. This black one, that one really stands out. By Philosophy, this one is $29.99, like a little snake print motor jacket. Calvin Klein sweater, $25. It says CK on it right up front. Plenty of these like blinged out tops. Again, New Year's, Christmas, they're $10. More Calvin Klein. This one looks like a sweater dress, or maybe not even a sweater, but like a shirt one. Tommy, so depending on what you like. This Tommy sweater is only $20. It's really, really simple. Looks like a little bit of red tag. This one is 10 from 15. It's kind of cute in an odd way. I'm normally not a polka dot person, but I feel like you want to be like preppy cute. That might be cute. Okay, a lot of like velour. Oh yeah, and Calvin Klein. I've been finding lots and lots of Calvin Klein. This one's just a flowy top, a very floral print for 15. There's plenty of those. This reminds me of a candy stripe. I have no idea why. $13. It looks like it's off the shoulder by Adrienne Vittadini. Another Adrienne Vittadini for $11. Little peekaboo hole like right there, like kind of on top of your chest, a little blinged out. So yes, I've said it before, Burlington is definitely a place you have to go through the rack, which I like going through the rack to show you guys. But I know everyone's style is different. Oh, look, A6 here for $9. That is a really, really nice blue color. And you have a Tommy, a zip up, cardigans. Let me see. Is that True Religion? I'm not, yeah, see, yeah. And a $10, a very, very stripy, but very loose fitting. So $10 and stripes on the arms. You know what? I kind of dig in the stripe up front, but not too much on the arm. 20 more blinged out on the sleeve, kind of like a square cut. A soft sweater that looks like pajama bottoms. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find in here. These are kind of like going out, maybe work tops. Calvin Klein again, $20. Now, if you can't find something like this in the women department, you might want to head to the men department, because trust me, they do have Calvin Klein sweaters the same, and they do come in multiple colors. Check this one out by Adrian Vittigini again. So 15, a little bling on the shoulder like a button, kind of like a soft sweater. And more of the striped sweaters, $13. Now this one is a double X. So we do get asked a bit about plus size. There's tons here in Burlington. They have an entire section here. 15 bucks. This one has pearls, like pearl and gold pearls on it. It looks like you can find some sweaters, jackets, more blinged out. What is this? Look at that. That sleeve. Kind of reminds me of an ornament. I have no idea why. No idea who makes it, but $18. So only the sleeve has a cutout zip up sweater. Oh, this one's kind of cute. Really soft. Let me find out. Their prices are at the bottom. $27. It looks like they go up to 3X here. Oh yeah. All these zip up ones too. These are really soft. $13. Oh, that's kind of cute. I feel like very Eastery. Spring, right? Maybe some spring with some boyfriend jeans. I know the stripes are really, really in. Okay, let's just keep moving. It's crowded back there. I don't want to get stuck in the middle. $40. Look how cute in the little girl department. Members only. That is absolutely cute. And look at the inside. You have all your Space Jam characters. Vince Camuto, $35 in the little girl department. I'm loving this shade of blue. I love it. And you know, the fur on the hood. It's a pink one for $20. And in the boy department, $45. It looks like DKNY. Really nice jackets. I love this green one for $35. Just really, really simple. Again, in the little boy department, you can find dinosaurs, lime green. I do feel like people do skip out a lot on Burlington, but I want to tell you, Burlington brings out the most when we hit like fall and winter, because when that's over, summer, spring, not so much like new clothing. You really have to wait. I'm trying to get to this purple hoodie. I think this one's right here. Oh, Grateful. Okay. Check out these slippers by Thalia Sodi. So these are $10. Some more slippers by her too. Oh, that's a cute Jessica for $20 with the pearls and the beanie. And here is another Juicy Couture. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in Burlington. There's a lot of people today that have like the sniffles and sneezing, and just cover your mouth. Doesn't matter. Always cover your mouth. 13 bucks. Matte and Metallics. That is by BB. Oh yeah, Burlington is your place for BB, you guys. I've said it so many times. You're probably tired of me saying the same thing, but it is, and a lot of people forget. A lot of people forget. You can find all that good stuff in Burlington. Look at all these makeup bags, but again, it only comes out during fall and winter. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. A lot of oils. Olive conditioner. You have 24 karat gold, like hair serum. Lots of eyelashes down here. These are $5.99. Kind of cute packaging, right? So you get 10 for $15. Ah, you know what? I do not know how to put on eyelashes. I know, well, like in my 30s, don't know how to put on eyelashes. How funny.